paper on, participation in, passion for, patent on for, patience with, payment in, payment of, photograph of, picture of, pity for, to take pity on, plan for, plan of, point of, there is no point in, popularity of, popularity with, potential for, potential of, power of, power over, prayer for, preference for, preparation for, preparation of, price for, price of, pride in, professor of, proficiency in, profit on, from, prohibition against, on, proposal for, protection for, protection from, against, protection of, protest against, punishment for, purpose of, quarrel about, over, quarrel between, quarrel with, question about, on, quotation for, quotation from,